So here's how to remove password protection in Microsoft Excel. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to move your cursor onto the left upper side and simply go with the file. And once you have done to here, you can simply go with the info on the left side actually, and then from here you need to probably tap on this option, which is like protect workbook. Before that, you can see a password is required to open this workbook is selected. This Excel file is password protected, so we need to remove that. So for that reason, we will click on this option and then simply go with the encrypt with password. Now as you can see, the password is selected. We need to delete all this password by pressing on backspace in our keyboard like that and simply go with the OK. So now once you have done this, you can simply go back and simply press Ctrl S to save this workbook. Also, you can go to the file and tap on save to save this workbook like without the password. So if you just close this up and once again open this up, as you can see guys, there is no password for it. So that's how you can simply remove password in Microsoft Excel. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.